entire aroma is different. On the contrary, stinking or some kind of a bad smell, if it is across, then it causes stress. Same is the color. See, some colors are soothing, some colors are irritating, some colors are annoying, it depends of course. As far as human beings are concerned, all the 7 colors do not perturb an individual much. It is reported that green is supposed to be soothing and cooling, but it is left to an individual. After all, see, 7 colors are obtaining in sunlight and there is nothing, but as far as odors are concerned, aroma is concerned, definitely they are either exciting a stress or relieving a stress. An individual should clearly know what kind of odor causes stress and accordingly remove it, and then also recognize which odor or which aroma is helping the individual to be relaxed, and always try to be in that kind of a atmosphere. Music, well, again music has extremities. For people who do not love music, music may be an irritant, or a person who loves classical music, western music may be an irritant. A person who loves light music, the instrumental music may not be so soothing, but all said and done, most of the human beings have some effect when music is played. One has to study for oneself whether a particular kind of a music is soothing. If it is relaxing, he or she should adopt and then use it. In fact, in classical music there are several ragas or several sets which are supposed to soothe people. Light instruments like flute or santoor, they are supposed to relax individuals. It all depends, but mostly almost all the human beings, they are subject to some reaction as far as stress is concerned, music. Therefore, many offices play some kind of a light music in the office, a piped music, subdued music, so that the productivity of the individuals go. In fact, there was a classical study made in psychology about the effect of smells, colors, environment, music, etc. The combination should be such that majority of the people are relaxed, and the relaxation should not extend to the possibility of making somebody sleep. That is all. That is the catch point there. If somebody is so relaxed and starts sleeping in the office, then perhaps the entire purpose of keeping music is lost. But for an individual, if he is finding or if she is finding difficult to get some kind of a sleep, perhaps playing some music which is soothing and relaxing definitely will make an individual take restful sleep.